Hello fellow paper pilots, Flight Master here. I know it's been a while, but I'm back with a new video. Today I'll be showing you how to make the Mirage 2000 into a paper airplane. This is a successful delta wing fighter produced by France and is still in use by many countries today. As you can see, this version has a detailed camouflage, a launching hook, and even like this text over here. And now let's see the flight test. All you are going to need to build the Mirage 2000 is some glue, specifically a glue stick, some scissors, and a sheet of 220 GSM cardstock printed with a template. Although anything between around 200 to 250 would work, and even lower, but I haven't really tested it with anything lower than 220 or anything higher than 220. So you should definitely be cautious, and anything around 220 will be your best bet. Now, I've actually skipped the cutting because it's a lot easier. So the piece will look like this, just like on the template. So I'll put this on the side right now, along with this plane, and I'll begin the construction. First thing, I'll put these fuselage pieces on the side, and I'm also going to group them. So these two, ones with a vertical stabilizer together, these two with the wing tabs here, and these two weight distribution. And now I'll leave these two wing pieces, which this one's the bottom, this one's the top. Now, first thing you want to do is glue the entirety of the bottom side, because this will be the one that I will attach, and it will give it both some weight distribution, more durability, as well as a better airfoil. Now, once I'm done with this, I'm going to be attaching it carefully, making sure that everything is aligned. You need to be extremely precise in this. And now, once you're done, checking the alignment real quick, like this, moving it a bit, shifting it, and then now pushing down on it. Now you're done with the wing. You'll want to move this to the side, and put these two, which are the ones with the vertical fin right here, and you do it like this, and be gluing the entirety of this one. I'm just making sure. So, and once everything is glued on this part, I'll be attaching it. I'll just move this just so it's more clean. Making sure everything's aligned before committing to gluing everything. And now you're done with the first part of the fuselage. Now you're going to want to glue this entire part except the tail fin. As you can see, anything below this black line over here, including this part, don't glue anything above this specific black line. Just basically don't glue the tail fin. Everything else though, you should glue. And now you're going to paste this on here. Make sure it's all aligned, especially at the front and back. And then you pick this up, flip this over. Now glue this part, but don't glue the wing tab over here, because else that would be really bad for the later step. And now you glue this part, and the most important thing here is to align the wing tabs, because those will be crucial for attaching the wing later. So even if this main fuselage is not aligned with the rest of the fuselages, what matters most is aligning this with the wing tab. So even if it'll be easier to attach a wing, it'll be more aerodynamic and more clean. Next are these two pieces which are for weight distribution. Now there's two ways you can do this. My personal way, I'll demonstrate both of them. First way is to lay it over, put your finger around here, and then glue around here, except on the wing tab, and then glue the rest of it. And as you can see, it's a perfect attachment, like around perfect, I guess, like this. Now press down. Now this is a really effective one and really quick and usually more clean on the part. But if you can't do that, for example, if you don't want to get your fingers messy, because like this could get a little messy if you accidentally touch your finger here, you could also always just glue it like this, which I consider the normal way. And then attach it like this, just like you would for most other plane parts. Now in this part, the important one is aligning both the front part and the catapult part, because the catapult one is crucial to the performance of this plane, because that's where you'll be launching it most of the time, especially if you're flying outdoors. Now once you're done with that, you can fold the wing tabs like this. Especially, it's going to be a lot easier to fold them because of the glue, and it's glued everywhere except there, so it will naturally want to be guided to fold there, like this. So you can like straighten it a bit. Make sure it's over a ledge, because this is a catapult which will stick out here. And now I just have to crease these things a lot better so they'll fold better and would return to the position while the wing's attaching. So I'll just be gluing it now to prepare for the final attachment of this wing and this fuselage. I'll just be gluing these wing tabs with like a generous amount of glue, especially because this is definitely the most important part of this plane, and pretty much every other plane is this attachment. Now once I'm done with this, I'll now be gluing these two together, and this is important. It's really important to take a close look. So firstly, you'll be gluing it like this on top of this. Make sure it's facing the right way. And now I'll be closely looking here. I'll try to demonstrate it to you. I'll just slowly lower it. I'll align the top part first. Hold it like this. Align the bottom, the back part, I mean. Sorry. Just like straighten this out a bit, because it's a little like curved. Tap it, just like tap, 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 press it. Or you could also just, like this, so it's like faster. Just be careful when doing this, because you might accidentally like slide the wing a little bit. Make sure everything is okay. Press down. Do some final checks. And once you've confirmed that everything's attached, I suggest waiting for it to dry for a sec. But other than that, you're done with your Mirage 2000 fighter jet. Now, some things I must say before you fly this outdoors is, if you're flying it outdoors, I highly suggest you get some tape and tape this nose part, because this has a tendency to like split apart and it'll be really difficult to, you know, glue it back together, especially because you always want to crease apart. I suggest letting it dry first, because, you know, if it dries, it will be a little stronger. Next thing is that if you're gonna want to pitch up, you have to curve these back out on both sides. So curve these upwards. I suggest having a positive dihedral as well, so to have a passive stability, so it's not gonna just flip over like that. And if it's turning to one side, you adjust this thing, or you could adjust the engine part, whichever one is like. This was better for like large adjustments. This is better for like more subtle ones, like clipping this end of here, like with your fingernails, and just like twisting it a bit. I'll just keep trying to do this so it will have upward dihedral. Like curve the wings a bit so it will pitch up and not just pitch down and crash. And lastly, the launching hook, you should get a good size rubber band that can stretch a bit, or you can connect multiple together and just like launch it really fast. So anyways, that's it from the Mirage 2000 video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!